I cleaned up my fridge for this. I promised you guys that I was gonna film this video and it's been like months. So finally we're doing it. To me, this is the scariest thing that you could ask me to do. I'm gonna put Salem on the floor and he's gonna be walking around, but like it is what it is. I lived basically in the suburbs, in the countryside for a while. This is my first time in like central London. So that's been a change, but I'm really happy with how things turned out. I would say this is my dream like apartment. This is the entrance. It's an apartment, so it's not huge or anything. This is where I keep Salem's stuff. A lot of Salem socks in here. There's nothing more annoying than when people do a house tour and don't show you like all the junk, all the stuff that you own. The most satisfying part of a house tour. So I'm well aware that you guys want to see all the stuff. So that's shoes. I don't know, because I've moved recently, I don't actually have all my stuff here yet. So there's a lot of things that are still, I don't even know where, storage units. So this is mostly things that I wear for the summer, so it's just a bunch of shoes. These are glow in the dark. I have face masks in every color. We've got a lot of Pokemon stuff in my house. I've got masks that match any possible color. I'm not exaggerating, there's literally one in every color. Me and having an eBay account during a pandemic was, you know. Then we got a big hallway. This is my video cupboard. People always want to know, where do I keep my video stuff? This is where my video stuff is. Possibly the least organized space, but like I said, I know you guys want to see the junk. I will show it to you. You okay, buddy? You're going through it. We're all going through it. You guys can have a look. I mean, it's really messy. These are like things that I use for videos that I'm like, am I gonna need this again? The lights sort of take most of the space. There's tripods here. There's a food processor box. I am very organized, so I keep like instructions for every single one of my videos. So if I know how the lights look, I want to be able to replicate it. This is next level. I even have photos of it. Like this is the placement on the floor of the lights. The intensity, a screenshot of my phone. This is like, wow. I love that this is in here as well. I've got a million video ideas that there will never be anything, but this one might actually be something. So when I shut the door, this is just in here, and it's like, if you think that my house is unrealistically tidy and clean, it's because things are like in there, and in here, and in there. So, dirty underwear and laundry. Then on here, ironing board. This is my ice machine. This is like an essential. This is the most essential thing in my house. How would you make coffee without an ice machine? I don't have a fancy fridge or anything here, so a bucket and duct tape. There's a long hallway, and if you come all the way down, you basically arrive at my kitchen, living room. This is like the living area, and it's probably like I spend 95% of my time here. This is the best space of the house. I kind of love that there's like my living area and my kitchen right next to it. The view from here is pretty incredible. This view is quite something. I can literally see the whole of London from here. I'll show you more of the view in a second. You can see I have all these fancy lights in the kitchen, but they are also very annoying because they flicker weirdly and like, so I've got a big table here, and I like that this table is round. When I'm sitting here, when I'm filming a video, I sometimes film this way, but I can also film from other places. People always say that my kitchen looks really clean. It's because I film here every day, so whenever I film something I have to clean it after, and that is the reason why there's never a mess. I know you guys want to see the inside of my cupboard. This is definitely not pepper spray because I'm not paranoid, and pepper spray is illegal and you should definitely not own any at home. Here I've got my coffee machine. I was like thinking about it for almost 2 years. Best purchase I've ever made, so I take my coffee very seriously. I'm quite organized in general. Mentally, I'm not at my best unless the place where I live is like tidy and organized. It's just the way I am. I eat a lot of takeout, so this is why I look so clean. These knives are so bad that literally never buy these. This is literally for decoration purposes only. This is my coffee cupboard. Chocolate espresso flavor, cinnamon, pumpkin spice. It's my most popular drink in my cafe. This is like that drizzle that Starbucks puts on top of the... This is incredible. On top here, I've got tea. This is the greatest thing in my house. This is a rotating spice. I don't even know where I bought this, but like everyone eats this. These are my favorite glasses ever. So this glass is double walled. So you can put like a hot drink, like coffee or tea or whatever, while on the outside stays cold. These are incredible. Just Google double wall mugs and glasses. So that's the brownies I made last night. They're surprisingly good. I might put the recipe for these on my Instagram. Here I've got plates, bowls. Once again, I really like this double walled stuff, so I also bought my bowls double walled. I'm probably gonna get over it at some point, but right now I'm still in this double walled glass phase. My KitchenAid that I never use, you guys know. People always talk that my cutlery is fancy, and I'm not even gonna lie, this cutlery was expensive and it is fancy. What I've realized was they also sold this on eBay or on AliExpress, $1 for a whole pack of forks, and they're not that different. These are like cooking utensils, as you can see. I bought this rolling pin because I thought it was super aesthetic, and this is so heavy that I never ever use it. My baking drawer is, I would say, the most important thing in my kitchen because I need to have all these ingredients for videos, even if I don't use it on my everyday life. Like, I never use corn flour, but I need to have it at home in case this comes up in a recipe. Here I've got trays, oven trays. Just I put everything in here because this one is really deep. It goes all the way in, so there's actually a lot of space for like all kinds of bowls, pans. Here I've got trash. My dishwasher. This is Salem's cupboard, so I've got like loads of Salem's treats and like things. This is Salem's favorite spot of the house. Salem's favorite toy is Blanky. He literally has the best view of London. Chances are, if you ever walk down the streets of London, Salem is watching you. He likes to look at the people. I don't even know how he sees it from like so far away, but he sees all the people. He probably thinks it's like miniature figures. This bench is strictly decoration. I mean, you won't be able to see it on camera, but this is when you have a really good view over the Big Ben and the London Eye. This is like the best place to see it. You can also see like King's Cross. If you've ever been to London, you probably recognize, if you look at the skyline, you're like, oh, I've been there. When I moved in, everyone kept telling me that I was gonna get over the view. It hasn't happened yet. So this view here is over the city and like the businessy area of London. I would say this is my favorite view. Even though it's not the most, you know, touristic, I really like the view from this side. I also like to stare at people on the road. You see a lot of people like going to work, going to restaurants, having friends, hanging out. I wonder what that feels like. If you live in an apartment, you know that you can't just put a fireplace in it. They don't allow anyone to have like a fireplace. This one is actually legal. It burns out of this, like a specific liquid. I don't know, it doesn't set off any fire alarms. I'm really scared of fire, so that's the fireplace. I will show it to you eventually. So this is my living room. Salem loves to throw all the round pillows all over the floor. People always say that it looks really cozy on photos, but this sofa is so uncomfortable that I can't even describe to you how uncomfortable this is. Like, I've tried everything. I honestly think I've misplaced my hip or something on this sofa. This is basically a bench. Like a wood bench. So yeah, so me and Salem just sit here, creeping in on people walking down there, other people in other buildings. By the way, that's the moon. Like aesthetically, I think the moon is something that I really like, so I was like, why not just put the moon in my living room? Just right above me. Every single day, I just look at the moon. This is probably the smallest TV that I've ever owned, but obviously because I've got such a nice view, I didn't want to put something huge here that sort of blocks the view. So right here, I've got my PlayStation 4. I wish it was a PlayStation 5. This fully opens. I promise you, normally it's not as windy as this. It is always this loud though. I find it kind of relaxing to hear the traffic and stuff. My curtains are going to fly away. This is my first telescope that I own, so I'm very proud of it. Like, I sometimes sit here and just polish it. Me and Salem sit here probably every morning. If the weather is nice, we sit here. The one time I decided to show people my flat, it's like as windy as it's always been. Ugh. This house is smaller than the house I lived in, and this is probably the longest house tour that I'm ever gonna make, but I really want to show you guys everything. So this is basically my office area. I've got my YouTube, 1 million subscribers, a little bored. Keep in mind, everything's gonna be very yellow in here because of the lights. My bathroom is like, not the fanciest. This is just toothpaste, shaving products. I've got another cupboard here. This is just like, I don't know, like hand cream. I just dropped some moisturizer. So this is the main bathroom that I use, and here is basically my work area. This is where I edit my videos. I spend a lot of time here. So this is my office, which also kind of works as like a guest bedroom, I guess. There is a bed here. You could sleep here, maybe just one person. I could have a bigger space, but obviously I want to have my desk with all my things in here. If you ever wonder what I'm doing at any given moment, I am most likely sitting at my desk editing some video. That's basically it. From this location, you kind of see everything. It's kind of distracting sometimes when I'm trying to film and I'm like, there's exciting things going on outside, like concerts, planes, helicopters landing somewhere. I don't like to keep a lot of stuff on my desk. I've got miniature Eevee. I have a lot of Pokemon stuff. That's basically all the fun stuff in this flat is like Eevee Pokemon stuff. I've got my glasses when my eyes are tired from editing. I think Salem is getting hungry, so should we finish showing the house? It's just decoration. I've got stuff like my video games here. I will show you my bedroom, but here I've got a painting. This painting literally arrived today. That's how fresh everything is here. This is a web award that I won this year, and the reason why I'm filming this house tour is because I promised you guys that if we won this, I would show you my house. For as difficult as it is for me to share my personal space, I find that, I don't know, like something I struggle with. I promised you. I always keep my promises. People always ask me what camera I use for my videos. This is it. It's a Sony a7 III. It served me well. This is honestly really good. The only annoying thing is I need to attach a screen so I can kind of see what the image is going to look like on YouTube. I have a lot of different lenses, so when people ask me how do I make my videos look like the way they do, it's honestly, it depends on the video you're watching. I've got different lenses for them. You know when you want to take a photo of your outfit before you leave? This is my selfie mirror. I love this mirror. It's probably my favorite thing in the whole house. This is my guest bedroom. I'm gonna be honest, I think my parents slept in here once. That's it. This is one of my favorite beds in the house. It's like fluffy. It's like I want to sleep on the bed frame instead of on the actual bed. It's like a teddy bear. It's like a teddy bear bed. Salem is allowed on every furniture in this house. He is the cleanest. He's cleaner than me, so Salem, this is still my YouTube channel. Like, please. This is a view towards East London, North London. It's a really nice view. Now here, this is where I keep most of my clothes, stuff that I'm wearing right now. All the DMs I get on Instagram is like, where did you get this necklace? Where did you get that one? I think my dinosaur necklace is the one that people always ask. I just go on eBay, AliExpress. It's really fun to like just put like colorful stuff sometimes. I have had a bigger closet in the past, but right now I just honestly pick the stuff that I'm actually wearing. So this is all stuff that I'm actually wearing right now. So like you guys have probably seen every single one of these t-shirts. Got random stuff in here, like sunglasses that I wish I had the confidence to wear outside. We've got self-help books and socks, which somehow defines my personality. Colorblind glasses. I actually want to put these on TikTok to help me see things in color, but I've never actually put them on. These are the indoor ones. I've got an incredible taste for socks, I will say that. Every single one of them, just incredible. So this right here is my bedroom, which for some reason, people always ask me so many questions about my bedroom. Come in. This is my favorite bedroom in the house. I think it's really relaxing. I used to always sleep in the living room because I love this bedroom so much. I almost always sleep in my bedroom now. For my bed and like the sleeping area, I honestly just wanted to keep everything really soft and simple because I swear I don't want to ruin my bed because I just made it so that it looks nice. But this is my favorite bed ever. Like this bed is better than any hotel I've ever stayed at. One of the most essential things in this bedroom is literally 50 kilograms of Salem's toys. I swear this is so heavy. Every single one of them has a different name. He loves Peter Rabbit. This is Mr. Duck. Yep, which is also a favorite. Okay, not that. This bed is really soft as well, and it's very like fabricy. The wallpaper also looks like fabric. And I've got these like suspended, is that what you call it? Suspended. One of the most terrifying things about this, when there's a storm and the building is like moving, these kind of go like that, like we're in a ship. So I've got my laptop here, my Apple Watch charger. I had my Nintendo Switch on the floor, I don't know where it is. Those are my essentials when I go to bed. It's just my laptop, my Nintendo Switch. One of my favorite things about this bedroom, and this is why I wanted this to be my bedroom and not any of the other ones, it's got it's the most insane view, like, and now especially because it's the sunset, it's You kind of get used to living so high up, but in the beginning this did freak me out a little bit. You can literally see everything from here. I need to probably switch the lens on the camera, but you can see the whole of like downtown, like central London. Because there's so many restaurants, because I live in this area where there's a lot of restaurants and like bakeries and things like that. It smells like donuts every time. Like it literally smells like donuts and churros right now. And it smells like that kind of every day. Some people might not like the noise of traffic and stuff, but I personally find it very relaxing. If I sit here, Salem sits on my lap every time. And also sometimes we eat lemons. These lemons are fake, by the way. This is like a plastic. I have almost showed you guys everything. The sun is setting, so I'm gonna take some photos so I can insert in the video so you guys can see everything. But I didn't show you my fridge. I don't have anything exciting on it, so this is gonna be disappointing. I almost forgot, but I do have a bathroom in my bedroom. I don't even brush my teeth here. I always use the other bathroom. The only time I ever come here is when I want to have a bath, so I've just got bath stuff here. That's it. And the last thing that I didn't show you is my fridge, so I'm gonna do that before we go, but this is basically a tour of my house. I never do anything like this. This is very out of my comfort zone, but sometimes it is what it is, and I just have to relax. I'm like, this is me relaxing. I don't know why people are always interested in my fridge when I don't even have that much exciting stuff. My friend works in a bakery, and she made me some cupcakes. They look really pretty. I have not eaten them yet because I kind of trying to finish the brownies. Someone let me know if you can freeze cupcakes. I think it should be fine. Cheese is something that I always got. Surprisingly, I do have some vegetables, avocados. I've got milk. I always have a lot of milk for coffee. This is Salem's food. Honestly, I would eat it. He's got beef, chicken. Yeah, he loves chicken, so a lot of chicken for Salem. So this is me feeding Salem. I don't know if you guys remember, but there's this video in which we tested gadgets for pets. This fountain right here was straight from that video, and Salem was obsessed with that. If you guys remember the video, you've seen it. And I've kept it ever since, and I've actually, this is probably the second one, because they start to get a little bit weird. Salem, can you please give us a ASMR mukbang? So anyway, so that is Salem's food, which honestly smells pretty good. It smells like sausages. Eat up! And I think I've honestly showed you guys everything. I kind of wanted to film this at sunset because honestly, I've told you guys before in a video, but the view from here is especially nice during the sunset when it's starting to get kind of dark. You guys let me know if you enjoy this. I'm always nervous to make things that are not food related. In the back of my mind, I'm always scared that no one really cares about anything that is related to me, like personally. It's gonna take a lot of strength for me to actually edit this down and post it, because for me this is a widely personal video. I always like to keep it away from people's judgment, but I'm strong enough. I can handle the comments. I have handled it for a long time now. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you like these kind of videos, like if you want to see, no one wants to see mine and Salem's boring day-to-day life. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoy this kind of personal vlogs, and only subscribe to my YouTube channel if you enjoy my videos. Please don't subscribe if you didn't enjoy this, because that is pointless, only if you had a good time. And I will see you guys on my next video, which hopefully will be in 2 or 3 days. Bye bye.